At Hopeland Junior School in Nakifuma, a new chapter in science education is unfolding, driven by the commitment of Riverflow International to transform learning across classrooms. For a long time, science has been taught as theory, abstract, memorized, and often disconnected from real-life experience. Many teachers lack the tools and practical exposures to make learning truly engaging. Through its teacher capacity building program, Riverflow International is changing that reality, equipping educators with the skills to effectively use practical science kit in the classroom. In this hands-on training, teachers are not just learning, they are experiencing science. Through demonstrations, teamwork, and guided practice, they are building confidence to deliver lessons that learners can see, touch, and understand.
Here, like you can see the color stops here, but when you use only cooking oil.
Welcome to Hopeland Junior School in Nakifuma. In this area, this is one of the best schools, by the way. You can actually see a summary of the results of the PLE of 2025. We have some good divisions ones, aggregate 6, and now this means that a school that is able to provide such things is able to help learners grow well. Let me take you around some of the things in this school. You enter this school, you can look at a talking compound. You can see very important messages. You can actually see where children play, which means when we come to helping learners grow physically, development of fine muscles, the development of fine muscles and other things. Now you can look at how the compound is conducive. We even have a playground the other side. You can see nice buildings, like everything here is good. So kindly, if you want to know more about this school, you can reach out to us.
My name is Jack Alamek, a teacher at Hopeland Junior School, and I'm the head of science department. Taught science so far. This is 7 years of primary 6, primary 7, primary 5, primary 4. Before receiving this science kit, it was always of theory without facts. But since this science kit, science has been simple because children learn from experience and what they are observing, so it is easier to explain compared to before.
The impact goes beyond the teachers. With practical learning, learners become more curious, more engaged, and more confident in exploring the world around them.
And the training was good, it was detailed, and got to learn about very many concepts and got to know what to instill in children during the teaching. Basically using the practical methods to approach the contents. Yes. When it comes to the part of instilling the concept to be applied in day-to-day life in solving the problems. Yes. I think the most interesting part was light, because always when we are teaching these children about reflection, in most cases they don't know how they happen, but when they observe, they get to know how things are done and they can basically do on their own. Curriculum into the children and to the schools. Let's adopt this idea, let's buy, and we use them in our schools so that we can improve the science performance. Yes.
Riverflow International believes that empowered teachers create empowered learners. By bridging the gap between theory and practice, the organization is shaping the future where science is not just taught but experienced. At Hopeland Junior School, the journey has begun, turning classrooms into centers of discovery and innovation.